Hi, Lego Fan 145 here, and today I'm going to be showing you my Lego chewing gum, Smarties, M&M's, Skittles, whatever machine, M&M's like that. So I'm going to show you it today with an M&M right now. So you need a coin, twist, put the coin in, oops. Technical difficulties, just, and then your candy comes out. So put the candy back in, and your coin. You have to get your coin. So open this up, grab your coin, close it back up. And then there's your coin. Twist, push, in, and your candy comes out. Just have this coin that comes out, and that is it.